We're a family business at Sutton Tools, and we're fourth generation coming into our fifth generation. And part of the reason we've been able to grow and prosper is because of that early adoption of technology. And we've always been very aggressive in our pursuit of new technology. And I don't see AI as being anything different. It's about the ability to add value beyond your product into service and service-related areas. And that's where I see the AI journey having real value for us.
We had the opportunity to work with Natterbox team to build up an AI agent where we can automate some of the repeat price and availability calls.
We chose Natterbox because, first of all, they're native on the Salesforce platform, and we're a very large Salesforce house here. That gave us a significant advantage. It's a mature product, and it was plug and play with our existing infrastructure. And the results have indicated that it was the right decision. In total, we've processed thousands of calls with AI, some very impressive results. And I'll be honest with you, I wasn't expecting anything like the level that we did achieve in the short time it's been up and running. Way beyond my expectations.
In terms of the reaction with the introduction of our AI agents, initially it was a bit of a challenge in a way because obviously no one likes changes. Once we implemented the change initially and we saw some really great results, I think our whole team really embraced with that.
I was really surprised by how easily our customers adopted to this AI Agent Max. It really didn't get a lot of pushback, and the numbers continue to grow. We're now able to offer a 24-hour customer service solution as part of a self-service model, and we've aggressively pursued that with our engagement layer.
I can clearly see the beneficial of scalability of the Natterbox, where we can use inbuilt Salesforce flow, as we have a multiple call centers and we can redirect through the flow. We're not going to another system to make any changes. We are using same flow for different call centers with the different routing that's already being proven by Natterbox.
We are a global business. We have operations in Australia, New Zealand, and Europe and the UK. So I really want to streamline the whole AI journey to ensure that whenever someone calls in, they get the best possible service wherever they call from. As a leader, I want to be the best in the class. So we have a best in the class products for our Sutton Tools, and we also want to give the best in the class service to our customers.
We've achieved a lot with Natterbox in the first couple of months, but I see the future as being really in our hands. We're doing a global rollout of Natterbox through Europe, Asia, and Australia and New Zealand. As our systems and our data improves, the scope for extending Natterbox AI agents beyond price and availability is significant. You know, technical advice, back order information, delivery information, all that type of thing is the next step in the chain for us.